Hello. I am the Thunder. And the new generation of technological heroes. Creation created by Szpace. I am part of a new universe. Of adventures, games, animations, for now. I am available in the book One the Thunder, Storm, a story that mixes science and faith. Talking more about me, I start out very grounded using a lot of martial art. But after some upgrades to my clothes I can even fly. My outfit gets help from artificial intelligence called Ida. She is my good friend. I also get involved in a romance with a colleague at work. Which is subversive, but then everyone loves the event. My King Hartman David, to whom I give my loyalty and defend as the greatest maximum security agent and project specifier and etc. And David is very happy with my services. I am grateful to Master Canida and Miss Eagle, they are such a support. Have you already entered the official website of the Thunder Project? It's there in the descriptions. Follow the Szpace, my creator, and give me a like if you like me.